Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, we are diving into a piece of diecast history with the M2 machine, the belly tanker. This is a limited edition model that is a must have for any collector or any car enthusiast. So, if I have to talk about the history of the belly tanker, originally it was built from the aircraft drop tanks and became an icon of the speed on the salt flats. This 1:64 scale diecast model by M2 Machine captures the spirit perfectly. So before we dive into detail, let's unbox it. Check this out. Comes in a vibrant deep red color with the cool graphics. I always like when the diecasts are made entirely of metal. So I'm impressed with this one. Let's check it out. Holding it, it feels like I have a mini version of the belly tanker. I'm impressed with the detail and the graphics on it. Check out the wheels, which have rubber tires. The wheels look so authentic, I feel like every detail is meticulously crafted to bring the belly tanker to life. The belly tanker is definitely going into my collection. Talking about the history of the cars and getting to know their background always amazes me. And the logo, if I have to talk about it, is from the Edelbrock, a leader in performance part since 1938. Their legacy of innovation and the quality is proudly displayed on this model. So leave your thoughts below. Let me know what you think about the belly tanker. And that's a wrap. Whether you are a diecast collector or a fan of automotive history, this limited edition belly tanker is a fantastic addition to your collection. It's not just a model, it's a tribute to the golden age of hot rodding and speed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. And let me know in the comments what other diecast models you would like to see featured. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.